What's up, folks? This is Crypto with James talking to you today about Trust Wallet Token. I'm bearish on Trust Wallet Token, and fundamentally that's because I'm going to get into why in a second, but in terms of an investment, I think there are far stronger out there. And like I said, I'm going to explain why in a second. Before I do, the spreadsheet, these are the first 26 coins I spoke about on the channel. I had invested $100 into each of these when I released videos about them, and you were still holding them. You're in profit for around 14k. However, if you had cashed out of those positions in the bull cycle, you'd have been in profit for 123k. Massive difference. Guys, if you want to see the coins that I'm buying up in the bear cycle, come check out Copy My Crypto. The link's in the description, on the screen as well. Bear cycle investments, regardless of whether it's the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, or S&P 500, the bear cycle investments are always the most profitable. But in crypto, you're looking at 10x's, 20x's, 100x's. Like I said, the Phantom did a whole Udemy course, charged only $20. And I said, as to give all the reasons, it was going to 100x, and it did a 677. So if you want to see the coins that I believe can do the crazy gains for this next bull cycle, the ones that are going to be hugely profitable, come check out Copy My Crypto. Link is in the description. Trust Wallet, guys. Trust Wallet Token. So fundamentally, look, Trust Wallet Token had in the bull cycle hit about $1.40. Never actually done really more than that. Whatever that is, $1.50, $1.53. Which is not too bad, right? But it's not that far from its all-time high. It is ranked in the top 100, 92nd. And it is feasible it stays around the top 100 purely because of the total supply. Because if it stays at the same price, then it would be a 1.14 billion market cap. But overall, I'm not long on this because the purpose of the token is that it's the utility token for the Trust Wallet mobile app. It doesn't have any utility outside of the Trust Wallet ecosystem. And Trust Wallet tokens can be transferred to any wallet that supports Binance Smart Chain assets because it's a BEP20 asset. And it may be exchanged and swapped with other things. Obviously, holding Trust Wallet allows you voting rights and governance over the development of Trust Wallet, and it can be used for discounted DEX trades and in-app purchases. So that's obviously a big positive. It's always good to see like an ability to reduce or discount the trading fees. Now, and that is good, but this is all that it really has. Like when we actually take a look, they've got a lot of assets, more than 4.5 million assets supported. The app supports 65 blockchains. And these are huge, right? They've got tons and tons and tons here. The wallet itself is really good. I've used it tons in the past, and I like it. I like their earn feature because their earn feature gives off some pretty good percentage returns. For some good quality cryptos, you've got your Algorands and such. And to be fair, you can see the current APYs for the coins that are on offer. So they're pretty good. 11% on Binance coins, damn good. And the staking calculator obviously goes through all of the different Trust Wallet assets that you can stake. So at the moment, there are 12 current assets that you can stake, and they're going to bring more. And that, again, is good, right? The wallet itself is good. But, beyond their own ecosystem, there's nothing really that you can get long about for this. Like, obviously, it depends on development and how they move things on. And over the course of time, I'm expecting them to introduce, a ton of new features. and they can grow their ecosystem, and it could end up being quality, right? It really could. But right now, the ecosystem's not that big. You can use it, the dApp browser is great, and you can use Trust Wallet with a lot of different dApps. Obviously, the NFTs are integrated as well onto the wallet, so you can have your NFTs all in the same place. And like I say, I'm never going to knock the wallet. The wallet's quality, but it doesn't have the same level of speculation behind it, because fundamentally there's no. I'm not looking at it going, there's forward movement here. But if they start bringing in, like, creating their own, as an example, NFT marketplace, that would be a big appeal. So there's another option to OpenSea. But again, there's a problem there because we're so oversaturated with goddamn NFT marketplaces that's not a big, I don't feel like that's going to surge the coin. The fact that it's still about 60+% of the original all-time high shows that there's just not really been this ton of volatility. It had a nice run from June. It's roughly doubled since sort of June. Has doubled from the bottom of June, which is good, which is really good. But when you're looking at like updates, when you're looking at anything on the horizon, Trust Wallet isn't exactly exciting. They're not innovations. Even just looking at the recent news, Trust Wallet security guide, 10 types of crypto you can buy and store in Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet token and Bitcoin Gold led the top 100 pack, recording double-digit gains. Yeah, there's a lot that's nice here. And like I said, overall, Trust Wallet is one of the absolute best wallets out there. But they need to grow their ecosystem. They also need to become one of the most utilized wallets. If they have a real surge of users, there's immense potential. In terms of short-term price appreciation, but even long-term, like most people use MetaMask. So, and then there's a lot of Americans use Coinbase Wallet. There's always going to be competition for wallets. And within a very limited ecosystem right now, I'm not enamored with this as a long-term, as like an investment. Like I say, as a thing to use, quality. But as an investment, there's not much that I can get excited about because it's same old, same old. It's a wallet. And they're not doing these huge, developments. They support NFTs. They support crypto transactions. And even when you go through, yeah, this is it. It's not, I don't know. For me, it's not something I'm getting super excited about because it's limited. And while it is a top 100 coin, when you actually look at it across the sort of time frame that it's been up and running, yes, it's had some surges, but the fluctuations haven't been that dramatic. There's not really been tons and tons and tons of volatility. And even on like trading volume's pretty damn low on a consistent basis. I mean, even the trading volume today, 8.7 million, but it's got a market cap of 475 million. I'd be wanting trading volume way above that, considering its current market cap. And I can see Trust Wallet gaining users. I can see more people come into it, but long term, unless they start releasing some actual innovations beyond the wallet, I'm not long on this, personally. But if anyone disagrees with me, which I'm sure there will be people, let me know in the comments down below. Like, is there something I'm blatantly obvious that I'm missing beyond? yeah, is there something blatantly obvious I'm missing? Let me know in the comments down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know when new content is coming out as well. And guys, if you want to see the coins I'm buying up in the bear cycle, the coins I think are going to have the massive runs in the next bull cycle. Those ones that do the 40x's, 50, 100. Come check out Copy My Crypto. As I've said before, bear cycle investments are the best investments. And as an example, they're all best bear cycle investments. So if you'd have put in $100 into each of them, you know, 61, they're like 61x, 52x, 62x, 58x, 48x, 677x. Bear cycle. It's always the best time to invest. So if you want to see what I'm buying up, come check out Copy My Crypto. And guys, and everything on the page is verifiable because it's all on my YouTube channel. So if it resonates with you, come join me. If it doesn't, please keep watching the channel because, guys, without you, there is no channel. So thank you very much and have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.